to buy Lingot token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. They include it on their REFERRAL account. So as you can see, this token is available on the screen right now. It created 1 hour ago. It's very new and increased by 2%, as you can see, a little bit in last 24 hours. So the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. But as you can see, this token trending number 2 right now on Solana section in the screen. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana network. Open your Phantom wallet for that. Now after that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able, as you can see, to see how much you will receive that token. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Lingot token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.